Hi and welcome back. This is the fourth video in IELTS series. First video, it was an introduction to IELTS exam. Second video was all about the latest updates on IELTS 2023. In the third video, we discussed all the four sections that appear in the IELTS exam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to book your IELTS date online from home. So let's get started. Open the browser and type IELTS IDP India. There are so many results we found. Let's click on the official site of IELTS IDP Education. Let's click on this. And this is the official site of IELTS IDP India. Now choose register for your test. Select test. There are so many tests. Let's choose computer delivered IELTS. Next, test module, academic. If you are going there to work, you will choose general training. Select city. IELTS test centers are in all these cities. Let's say we choose Hyderabad. In Hyderabad, there are 3 test centers: Begumpet, Jubilee Hills, Kukatpalli. So let's choose Hyderabad. Now we'll click here, book now. The next page comes, and here we can choose the desired date on which you want to write the test. The date which is in black is already selected. The dates which are in green, they are available. Let's say we select 9th May 2023. So you can see here, test date is 9th May 2023. Test type is academic. Test computer delivered IELTS, and the fees is rupees 16,250. There is a point which is very important. The selected test date is for listening, reading and writing. Speaking schedule shall be communicated separately. Let's click on book now. And here comes IELTS registration steps. The first step is completion of the personal details. Fill in all the personal details here. This is the form. You can just have a look at it. After filling the form, you have to click on I confirm that I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions, and then click to proceed. Passport is the most important document while booking your test date. Without the passport and the passport number and the valid up to date, you cannot book IELTS exam. So you must have a passport before you book the IELTS date. The next step will be registration details. After completing personal details and registration details, the third step is document upload. Here you will be uploading the first page of passport and the last page of passport with address. Only JPG, PNG, JPEG and PDF are allowed, and maximum file up to 1 MB. After document upload, the next step is RO details. You can request for copies of your results to be sent directly to academic institutions, government agencies, professional bodies or employers. Results may be sent either electronically or by post to these organizations. The center may charge a postal fee for results sent internationally or by courier. The test report form will not be sent to migration or education agents. Please note that organizations you have listed below may access your results before you have received them by mail. You may add up to 5 recognized organizations for this application. Now, these are the columns which you have to fill, and you can fill up to 5 organizations. Which country are you applying to, intending to go to? The name of the organization, name or person or department, file and case number. The next step is form review. You review the form and check it out if there are any errors and then correct them. And then you move on to the final step, that is payment of the fees. Before paying the fees, check the details like test date, time, test city, test type, and the amount to be paid. After that, you can see the options through which you can do the payment. You can do online payment either by Visa, Master, or wallets, or you can do the payment through net banking. Choose the mode of payments and then pay the fee. That's all. It's very easy. You can be at home, you can sit at home and book your IELTS exam online from the comfort of your home. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.